So Heather, have you seen the movie Uncle Buck?
No.
You know, why am I not surprised? Your generation, if Taylor Swift doesn't tweet about it, or if Lululemon doesn't sell it, y'all don't think it exists.
Does this rant have a point?
Yes. Tonight, we're making the Kentucky Buck.
Okay, but what does that have to do with the movie Uncle Buck?
Well, the character Buck drinks bourbon. His name is Buck. And it's funny.
Is Ryan Gosling in it?
No, but it's by John Hughes.
Oh, he built the Spruce Goose, right?
Let's just make the drink. What's up, Heather?
What's up, B?
Tonight, we're making the Kentucky Buck.
Okay, what led us here to the Kentucky Buck?
All right, first, it's August. I need something refreshing.
It is hot.
Second, we're in North Carolina, an agricultural state. Shout out to the Wolfpack. And we produce a ton of strawberries. Third, my son is about to start middle school. This is cheaper than therapy.
That's true.
And finally, we love bourbon.
These are all very strong reasons, B. Now it's time for History with Heather. So the Kentucky Buck was created by Erick Castro. It came to be during his time at a bar called Bourbon and Branch in San Francisco. It is the perfect summer drink, and it pays homage to the family of cocktails known as Bucks. The recipe spread to bars everywhere and was actually named a modern classic by Imbibe magazine in 2014, which I have, of course, subscribed to for years of my life.
We know you're lying. Your generation hasn't ever subscribed to a magazine once.
I had a New Yorker subscription for a little bit.
A week. Moving on.
A year. It came automatically. Anyway, a Buck is a cocktail that combines ginger beer and citrus with a base spirit of your choice. Now, the formula works across all kinds of spirits, but lately it's probably best known for the viral Moscow Mule, which is everywhere these days. Everybody's got a copper mug.
Everybody's got a copper mug.
Everybody's got a copper mug, and as we know, the classic Moscow Mule uses vodka. Now remember, ginger beer does have a sharper ginger taste than ginger ale, so we prefer it for mixing a drink in the Buck family. Now, we're going to make a variation on the whiskey Buck called the Kentucky Buck, which adds strawberry and bitters for a super easy drinking summer cocktail everybody's going to love. And B, you know if it's got strawberry and it's got bitters, we're in.
We're in. So, you know what? Let's make this thing.
Let's do it.
What's in this drink?
All right, so we're going to have 2 ounces of bourbon. What are we using tonight, B?
Tonight, we're going with the Wild Turkey 101.
All right, after the bourbon, we're going to put in 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice.
All right.
Half an ounce of simple syrup.
We're just using our homemade simple syrup.
That's right. Never buy it in the store,
Never
folks.
buy your simple syrup.
We're going to actually muddle 1 strawberry to start. We're going to add in a couple dashes of bitters. And then we're going to top with the ever-popular Fever Tree ginger beer.
Available at fine retailers near you.
Such as Harris Teeter. And at the end, after we shake it all up, top it off with a ginger beer, we're going to garnish with a strawberry slice. Now, you ready to get making this?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, first, we're going to start by putting the strawberry in the shaker.
I have even cut these up for you a little bit.
Aw, thank you. That should make my muddling easier.
You know,
We know I'm the muddler on the show.
You're the official muddler
I'm the
of the
official
Tortured
muddler.
Bourbon.
All right, so I'm going to, my patented push and twist method.
Push and twist.
All right, the strawberry is nice and muddled. So now we're going to add all the ingredients except the ginger beer. Never shake your ginger beer. It's not going to end well. So we're going to start with our 2 ounces of bourbon.
Yeah, some people might want to live dangerously.
I mean, have fun with the shaker topper popping off, but hey, you do you. Then we're going to add our lemon juice, our simple syrup, our couple dashes of bitters. All right, now it's time to shake, B.
And we're going to add the ice.
Yeah, that would be helpful, wouldn't it, for a cold
Hey,
cocktail?
You know?
All right, B, I'm going to have you shake this one up.
You know, it's my pleasure.
All right, now we're going to strain this into a Collins glass through. We're actually going to double strain so we don't get any strawberry pieces in our drink.
I don't strain often, but when I strain, I double strain. Wow.
I'm sorry, It just reminded me of that scene B in League of Their Own when Tom Hanks' character just keeps going and going and going.
I was thinking about Naked Gun 2.5 when he walks in and he's still wearing the microphone. R.I.P. Man.
Evacuation complete. Complete. Evacuation complete.
I'll just never forget Madonna's character taking off her watch and timing it and then saying, "That's some good peeing."
That's some good peeing.
Classic.
As you can tell, we used real strawberries.
We
I'm
sure
pretty
did.
excited. There we go.
I am too.
So now,
can you top it with a little ginger beer, B?
I can top this with a little ginger beer.
About an ounce. All right, let's give it a stir.
I can feel the chill.
Well, then you know it's ready. All right, so now put that pretty strawberry on top.
Uncle Buck would be proud.
And now you have the Kentucky Buck. Do I get to try it first?
You do. Enjoy that.
Oh, that takes the edge off. That's delicious.
So, if I make you a few of these, can I convince you to watch some classic 80s films with me?
You made me 2 or 3 more of those, and I'll watch the original Dune.
Ooh, that's how good it is.
That's big stuff.
Now, folks, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Heck, if you didn't enjoy this, click the like button anyways and tell your friends so they can watch it and not enjoy it. Anyways, as always, cheers y'all.